Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at work and I'm about to go into work, but I decided I'm just gonna film this video and I'll edit it later or whatever. But hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zoe. Hello. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna talk about a giveaway that I'm doing. So if you are new to my channel, I have a cosmetics line. So I'm doing a giveaway. I have a cosmetics line. I just came out with a clothing line as well. All the links will be in the description box below. But I'm just gonna talk to you guys about my giveaway really fast. So basically I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. You have to be on my Instagram to do it. You just have to subscribe to my channel. So make sure you do that. Like this video. And then my Instagram, it's $100. You're getting $100, and then you're getting a bunch of products that I have on my cosmetics line. I might put in an outfit. Oh, I hope that wasn't. Anyway, I might put in an outfit from my clothing line. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. On my Instagram, make sure you're subscribed. For extra entries, you can purchase something or follow all of my ambassadors, but that's totally optional. You don't have to. And then you just have to tag some friends in the comments on my Instagram, so make sure you do that. But it's no purchase necessary. It's absolutely free to enter. The link will be in the description box below, as long as like all the other links and everything, so make sure you click that. It's free to enter. Like, even if you don't want the products, it's still $100 for free. So yeah, make sure if you do come from YouTube, make sure you like tell me in these comments or tell me on my Instagram, and I might do an extra entry that way. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't checked out how I package my orders, it was my recent video, so make sure to go check that out. Like I said, all my links will be in the description box, and I'll see you guys later.